Hi, I'm Lauren Weintier from Aurora Middle School, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve hands-on equations. Okay, first you need to know that a green cube is a negative, a red cube is a positive, a blue pawn is a positive, and a white pawn is a negative. If you put a blue pawn and a white pawn together, they equal a pair of zero. You need to know that you have to put the same if you want to add on both sides, or if you want to take away, you have to take away the same on both sides. So for our first problem, we're going to do 4x plus 3 equals 2x plus 7. First, we're going to do two negative pawns. We're going to add them on both sides. And if you remember, a blue pawn and a white pawn equals a pair of 0, so we can take away our pairs of 0. So then we're going to want to do that again, so we're going to add two more negative pawns, and those equals 0. We have more pairs of 0, so we can get rid of those because they're nothing. Now we need to get rid of the 3 because we just want x on this side and just want a number on this side. So we're going to try to get rid of 3, so we're going to do a negative 3 on both sides because we have to put the same on both sides or take away both sides. So now this is a pair of 0, so we can get rid of it. And this 7 minus 3 equals 4, so we can use a 4 here. So now 2x equals 4, but we want to have just what 1x equals. So we're going to divide it both by 2, and x equals 2. Our next problem is negative 3x plus 2 equals negative 10 plus x. First, we're going to start by adding one negative pawn on both sides. This is a pair of 0, so we can get rid of it. Now we're trying to get rid of positive 2, so we're going to have to add negative 2 on both sides. This is a pair of 0, so we can get rid of it. And this is negative 12. These are all negatives, so x plus x plus x plus x equals negative 12. So we're going to do 4 divided by 4 and 12 divided by 4. X equals negative 3. If the white pawn equals negative 3, the blue pawn equals positive 3. Okay, so for our last problem, it's negative 3x plus 5 plus x equals 2x plus negative 3. It looks like a lot, but if I can figure it out, you can figure it out too. So if we look here, this equals a pair of 0, so we can get rid of that. Now we want to add 2y on this side. This equals a pair of 0, we can get rid of that. Then we're going to add another negative pawn on both sides. This equals another pair of 0, so we can get rid of that. Now we want to get rid of our 5, so we're going to add negative 5 on both sides. So this is negative 8. So we have 4 pawns here, so 1 equals a negative 2. If a white pawn equals negative 2, a blue pawn equals positive 2. This is the end of the video. I hope you learned how to solve hands-on equations. Bye!